Hello and welcome to another daily Dream League pack opening. We're finally finished with one side and we will get started. Well, we've already started like a couple packs on the other side. Just randomly deciding to pick on the other side of the box, but today we have no choice. Happy Sunday or Monday for those of you watching this. Tomorrow it's Sunday night for me, but it's probably Monday for a lot of you. Hope you guys have an awesome Monday. And we start off with a Magnemite. Hey, match with our character rare in the back there. Mimikyu, chilling out, Headman the tree. Timpole. These yarn ones, like, I wonder if these are real. Like, someone actually made them and then they actually set up a little diagram to take a picture of it. That'd be epic. Like, how cool would that be? Like, someone would, like, I would totally buy it, wouldn't you? Buy a yarn crochet Pokemon. Oh, it looks like we have a rare. And the rare today is May, or I think Rosa in English. Hey, we were missing her. Number 47. Lucky. All right, that's cool. The uncommon of the pack. Clefairy. I'm pretty sure we got her. This is awesome. Filling out the collection. I honestly thought we were gonna run out. Like, there was a good chance that we were gonna run out of new cards. Like right now. Let's see. After this, I think there's only one. Is there any more rares? Yeah. There's only one more rare we're missing. Maybe we'll start the other side. Because we're just missing one rare and then two double rares. Wow. That happens pretty quick. Maybe next time we'll start a different box that doesn't have 49. Like, I think that one will last us the entire box of cards that we're missing. But yeah, cool. No extra pack today. I opened one because I really wanted to, and there was nothing interesting in it. So the final pack I will be saving. Final pack of Vivid Voltage saving because it looks pretty nice. It's pretty cool, and statistically, I'm not gonna get anything out of it. So why open it up? These rares are so cool. All right. That's enough of me rambling and looking at the card. I will see you guys tomorrow.